in an array. So how to use pointer in array? What is the relation between pointer and array? So how to store address of array in the pointer? So address of the array name represent the basic address of that array. So we can store p is equal to directly a. So whatever the address of a will store into the p. Then after we can print that address. So whatever the scene relation with a of I is equal to p of I is equal to star a plus I. So that is the things we have seen yesterday. So we can use pointer in p of I format. So p of 0, p of 1, p of 0. So pointer address is store base address only, but once we will do star p plus plus, so pointer address will increment also. Okay, that we have seen yesterday. Then we have seen the pointer relation with the array. Today we will start. Okay, one more basic things I will tell you. So this is my array: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is a plus 0, this is a plus 1, this is a plus 2, this is a plus 3, and this is a plus 4. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. You can do A plus 1. Once you will do A plus 1, what you will get? You will get the 20. Right? That we have seen yesterday how to get the A and A plus 1. So A plus 1, that means only one element size will get incremented. And address of A plus 1, that means total array size get incremented. So a plus 1, that means it will point to 20th location, and you will do star, that means you can access that data 20. So this is possible. A plus 1 will give you 2000, sorry, 1004. This is address that will give you. Star a plus 1 will give you the 20th value. Okay, now you try to do a is equal to a plus 1. You are storing the address in the array. That address is a plus 1. So here compiler will generate error. You cannot able to store the value. You can increment the address, but you cannot able to store inside that starting address of array. What is the A? A is the starting address of array. So A, that means array is constant. You cannot store A is equal to 5. A of 5 is equal to, is it okay? But you cannot store A is equal to 5 in the array. You can store A of 0 is equal to 5. That is valid. A equal to A plus 1. So nothing we can store inside the A because A is constant. So array is constant. Here A meaning is array. You can store P is equal to A plus 1. What is P? P is our pointer. Inside the pointer we can store any address. So you can able to store P is equal to A plus 1. That is valid. But A is equal to A plus 1, that is not valid. Okay, write down this in your book. Then we will start the concept of string, character array and string. So this is understandable, right? How to use array and how to store the address in the pointer and all things. Next is our title is character array and string. Suppose in main function, I will take character s of and character a. First I will take character a is equal to a, b, c, d. This is my character array. Next I will take character s of is equal to a, b, c, d. So this is my string. Okay. So whenever we will assign string, so we have to store in the array itself. That will be the character array. So we can directly write character S, you can write here any name. So that is the variable name, and blank array is equal to here the string, that is the ABCD. String is a collection of character ended with /0. String, write down with me all the things. First complete this, then after all the theory part, write down with me. First complete this, then inform me.
Done.
Okay. So whatever write, I will write down, you have to write down by yourself. Then after I will explain. That is the theoretical part. So you will understood easily. String is a collection of character ended with /0. Ended with /0. So that means once we will store this array in the in this array character array strings. So automatically /0 is available at the end. We are not seeing that is not visible, but compiler will automatically put /0 at the end. So string is the collection of character ended with /0. Character array is a collection of characters. Character array is a collection of characters. Okay. Then /0 is one of the escape sequence. So /0 is one of the escape sequence. /0 indicates end of that string. Next is /0 occupies 1 byte of memory. In that byte, all bits are 0. So at the last, /0 is occupy 1 byte of memory. In that byte, all bits are 0. So /0 is treated as a separator between valid and invalid character. Done this, then inform me. Then we will do one program. So this is understandable. /0 is one of the escape sequence. /0 indicates end of that strings. /0 occupies 1 byte memory. In that byte, all bits are 0. /0 treated as a separator between valid and invalid character. So whenever you will put space, at that time it's separator. So we will do with one program how to use string and all the things related to string. Okay, done.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then I will make one program. How to scan a string and how to print on the screen. So character as of 10. This is, I have take one string, printf, enter the string, /n scanf percentage s dash s. Percentage s is the format specifier for the string. Printf data is equal to percentage s slash n dash s. Okay, here I am scanning the strings. This is my array, so because of that reason, the array is starting with the base address. I have not put, otherwise you can put here address of s. Hello. So this is my input and this is my output. I will write down data is percentage s slash 1 s plus 1. So ELLO. LO, then ELLO. Suppose I will start with the s plus 1, then it will start with the next. So H is storing in first byte, E is storing in second byte. Like this way, L is storing in third byte, L is storing in the fourth byte, O is storing in the fifth byte. So percentage s is the format specifier for the string. Percentage s needs the address of array at the time of scanning and at the time of printing also. So write down these things. Percentage s need address while scanning and printing also. Scanf putting slash 0 at the end. And slash 0 is not printable character. Then this
Yes.
okay. Then we have to print string character by character. So here I have scanned the complete string and I have print directly. Now I have to print string character by character H E L L O like this way in next line all the things. So how we can do this? In this program, what things I need to modify? So this is my character array. Is normal as the character array. We are scanning in the format of %s. So this is okay. So my string is here, scan. In the printing, we will use for loop. So I will comment this part and I will use printf for, sorry, not printf, for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, then I plus plus. Will take I type is also the character. That is okay. Okay, inside the for printf percentage C of S of I. Here we can print our character by character, right? So I will run this code. Don't write down this code as of now. See here, what is my output? Hello, then these things. I don't know what is this. I will put slash n here, then you will understood better way.
Arrays of 10 elements, so that's why.
L. Yes, that is the reason. We have stored array in the 10 elements. So my array size is 10 elements. Here I am scanning and storing only 5 elements. And here I am printing 10 elements. So this is not valid. Whatever the elements we have scanned, that much element we have to do, then only my correct of the printf one character by character. So how we can do? So this is not valid. So I will put it comment here. Next I will write for. I know my scanf putting slash 0 at the end. Slash 0 is not printable character. Okay. So whenever we scan the string at the last, it automatically slash 0 is available. So what we will do, I is equal to 0, s of I is not equal to slash 0 till the time I will rotate my loop. Here, what is the meaning of s of I? So I is equal to 0, s of 0. S of 0 is my h. H is not equal to 0. Yes, condition will become true. And here it will print H. Then ELLO. After O, slash 0 is available. So it will compare S of fifth number element because 0 to start. So fourth number is my O. Fifth number is slash 0. Slash 0 is not equal to slash 0. Condition will become false. It will coming out from the loop. Okay. Slash 0 that means 0th value, nothing else. So we have already written that slash 0 occupies 1 byte of memory. In that byte, all bits are 0. That we have already written in our rules. These rules. Slash 0 occupies 1 byte memory. In that byte, all bits are 0. Because of that logic, this program will work. Now I will enter hello. My hello will print. Understood this? We can modify this also. for I is equal to 0. Here I will not put condition, I will put only s of I, then I plus plus. Here I will compile this code and run this code. Hello. Output is hello. So this is also work. Why? This is also work because this is the comparison things. So in for loop, middle part is taking the non-zero or zero value. If it is zero, then it will coming out from the loop. So here H is non-zero, E is non-zero, L is non-zero, O is non-zero. Then after automatically 6 byte is the slash zero. So slash zero, that means all bits are zero. So here it will check zero. Then it will coming out from the loop. So this and this both are valid. This is not valid. So you can either compare s of I is not equal to slash zero, or you can directly put s of I. When it will become zero, it will coming out from the loop. So write down this code. Write a program to print the character of a string in the reverse order. So here we have to print reverse, not reversing the original strings. Okay. So here reverse printing, not reversing. So whenever you will write a program, before writing, you have to understand clearly requirement. What is the exact my requirement? So here your requirement is only you have to print in reverse order. Suppose I will enter hello. So my output should be OLLEH. That I have to print. So how we will do this? Now you know how to print character by character, right? So normal character by character is, so I will reverse that. I will start my I with the last position. So how to calculate your I? Yeah, so first I will write down this code, then you will understood better way. So I will take one integer I, or otherwise character, as of 10 or 20 or anything you can take. Your array size is big, then you have to increase the size, and one integer I. Sorry, character I, integer I, that's okay, because our number will not go more than 255. So we can take character I. Enter the string. So here user will enter the string, then scanf percentage s slash s. What I will do, printf normal. What is the normal? That means I will print hello. For I is equal to 0, s of I plus plus, printf percentage c s of I. So here it will print hello what I got here printf dash n, then I is equal to percentage d. Here I will print I. So here, what is the value of I? So this is my character array. Inside this store HELLO, then slash 0. So here I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will come to 5 slash 0. At that time my loop will close, and here I will get I value is a 5. Okay, so I value updated is the after loop is the 5 value. Now I have to print in reverse order OLLEH. So how we can find this? So we can put here for I is equal to I minus 1. Yes, anyone? Here which condition I will put? Here which condition?
I is equal to 0, I minus minus.
I is equal to 0 is not okay. I
Oh,
minus
sorry.
minus. I is greater than or equal to 0. That
Yes.
is the correct. Then I minus minus. Yes. So I will do this. I is equal to I minus 1. I greater than or equal to 0. Then I minus minus. Sorry. F percentage C as of I. Then after the last we will enter the printf slash n. So write down this program. So string length is equal to number of valid character in that string excluding slash 0. So whenever we find the string length, so hello that is the 5. So we cannot tell that our string length is 6 bytes. It's a 5 bytes only. Slash 0 is not counting. So string length is number of valid character in that string excluding slash 0. Okay, I will write down one program. So how we can take two strings. So I will take here character S and S1 of 4. Then printf address. How to print address? Percentage D. So S is equal to percentage D or percentage U. You can take U, that means unsigned in the format. So S1 is equal to percentage U slash N S com S1. So array address, array is name is represent the base address of that array. So you can take string character array is also treated as a string also. So here it is starting from the 20 and this is starting from the 16. Okay. So both are the in the sequential format. You can see. So S1 is the starting from 16 and ending at the 20. And this will starting with the 20, right? 16, 17, 18, 19. Then this will starting with the 20, 21, 22, like this way. So here you can see I have put GCC P67 dot dot C. What error I got? Fatal error. So there is no any file available in our directory at that time. It will give the fatal error. So whenever in future you will find this fatal error, that means you have to check you are doing that file is not available in hard disk. Okay, something is missing. So because of that reason, fatal error will. Yeah. So now what I will do, I will scan the string printf, enter string scanf, that is printf s is equal to percentage s slash n, comma. This is normal string one. Now I will do for next string printf, enter s1 slash n scanf, s comma s. Now I will print both the string. Printf s is equal to percentage s, s1 is equal to percentage s, station s and s1. Okay, I will run this code. I will enter abcd. Here capital abcde. See here, I will run this code. I will put here abcd and I will put here capital abcd. See here, my s is empty. Here s is capital E. Why this? So I will explain here only. So what is the starting address of S and what is the starting address of S1? So I can draw like this way. In my memory, this is the starting address of S1. 644222216. Here I have stored capital A. Then here is 17. At the 17 location I have stored B. At the 18 location I have stored C. At the 19 location I have stored D. At the 20 location my slash 0 will store. 21, 22, 23. Before slash 0 I will write down like this way. At the 20th location what we have stored here? A, B, C, D. So this is my S and this is my S1. This is understood, right? This is my memory 644222216 and 2021. Now whenever enter S, so my ABCD is stored here and I print ABCD, so S, so it will printing the ABCD. That's okay. Next I have entered the year for this ABCDE. So I have stored S1 ABCDE. So here ABCD in capital, here E will store and next automatically slash 0 will be available. So now I am printing the string S. So S will print capital E only and then after slash 0 automatically store in this location. So these both are removed and this slash 0. Now whenever slash 0 will come, my string will stop there. It will not print this and it will not go ahead. Because of that reason here it print E and S1 have print ABCDE then slash 0. Next in this program, what I did first, I have stored ABCD, so it will print ABCD. Then S1 I have print capital ABCD, capital ABCD. So till this is okay. Once I have stored the capital ABCD, so it will end store capital ABCD and at the last slash 0 will be added. So slash 0 will go to this location. So at that time my S is printing nothing and S1 is printing ABCD because slash 0 is available at the starting location of the S. So these things you need to take care whenever you take the character array. So you have to take one more byte. So you want to store 4 byte. At that time you have to take here size 5 bytes. You have to store 10 bytes, then you have to take size as 11 bytes. /0 will be not counting by the array or strings, but you have to count, otherwise your output will not get whatever the expected output. It will erase all the string as part data. So that means /0 is came here. You can put here s+1, then you can do bcd. Here I will put s+1, then I will put here abcd. So abcd s1 capital abcd. See here bcd s+1 I can able to put, but s, that means it will print nothing. Okay, this understood? Then write down this code in your book. So this is the last program of today. If you have any questions, so you can ask. If you are not questions, so I will stop the recording. No? Okay, I will stop
Not from
recording.
my side.
Okay.